So, in this video, it's going to be a little less formal. It's going to be more of a one-to-one, me to you, and we're going to talk about iMarkets Live, recently rebranded to IM Academy or IM Masters Academy. All right, so this is a topic that I've been wanting to talk about for a while, and first of all, to clear the air, everything that I say in this video is completely my opinion, and do your own research. But IML or iMarkets Live or IM Academy, whatever you want to call it, in my opinion, is a big scam, and we're gonna go into why. Okay, now it's not the scam in the traditional sense where you pay someone and they just run off with your money. It's a little bit more complex than that. But we're just gonna run through the website, go over everything, and I'm gonna break down why this is something that you probably do not want to do. So here we are on IM Academy, IM Masters Academy, Mastery Academy, whatever it is, their website. Okay, and first off, what you'll notice is that you see everybody is really happy. Isn't that beautiful? Now, IM Academy offers tons of products. Okay, all of these here are products that they sell. Elite Academy, FRX Academy, HFX Academy, all of them are products. Okay, they're mentoring, they're teachings, they're signals. They have everything in the book, from robots, algorithms, to normal trading styles. Okay, so everything looks great, looks amazing. They have all of this. These are all their strategies and whatnot. Looks great. Okay, tells you how great your life is going to be. They even have an app. Okay, basically they tell you that you can make money trading Forex, and you can do it with very little effort. Okay, so let's just scroll down here and let's see if we can find the price for one of these. Okay, by the way, here are the two owners, Christopher Terry, and I don't even know how to say that name. I just want you to take a look at this man right here and tell me if you would trust him with your hard-earned money. You know, they say don't judge a book by its cover, but go watch some interviews of this guy, and you should be able to get a decent feel of what kind of person he is. Again, this is just my opinion. And here are their top chairman elites. Okay, so these are the top dogs when it comes to actually selling iMarkets Live products or IM Academy products. Okay, so that's leading us into why you should not do this. IM Academy, in short, is what they call an MLM, multi-level marketing company. And basically, what they do is they ask you to sell their products for them, and you make some money off of that. So basically, the disguise is that you're learning how to trade, when in actuality, their number one goal is for you to go out and sell products. And we're going to get into why an MLM is bad. So look at these two guys here, and girl. Okay, these are the chairman elites. I'm focused, I'm blessed. Okay, would you trust this guy with your money? Would you trust this guy to teach you Forex just because he's in a suit? He's got a nice haircut. And these two guys right here, do they look like Forex traders to you? I know I'm judging books by their cover, but honestly, I know IM Academy, you know, well enough to know that all of these people are salesmen. They're not traders. That's the main point that I'm going to try to get across here. So all of this is great, and here you go. Here's the prices: $325, $274 monthly. So you pay this to enroll, and then this every single month. So these are some high prices. Now they try to justify these prices by saying, oh, you'll make it back once you start selling all of our products and you start recruiting more people. Spoiler, most people never actually make their money back because they can't sell the products. Most people are not salespeople. They just get into, you know, because they're sold on the idea that they can become this amazing trader. They're more than likely not going to become an amazing trader through iMarkets Live, IM Academy, and so they take these monthly losses every single month, and basically just burn their money, unfortunately, and that's pretty much it. So we're going to try to join here, and let's see what happens. We're going to join today. And did someone refer you? That's interesting. Why can't I just sign up? Why can't I just pay for my courses and be on my way? Okay, so let's just not put any username in here, and let's just try to sign up. That's interesting. You can't sign up unless someone else has recruited you, and this is the entire point of this company. It's to have as many people selling as many products as possible the entire time. Okay, you can't even buy the product unless someone else in the company refers you. And let's get into why an MLM is bad. So a quick Google search will show you what an MLM is: multi-level marketing. Okay, now let's just read the definition. Multi-level marketing is a strategy that some direct sales companies use to encourage existing distributors to recruit new distributors. In MLM schemes, there can be hundreds or thousands of members worldwide, but relatively few earn meaningful incomes from their efforts, indicating a possible pyramid scheme. This is the definition of an MLM, and IM Academy, right here, is proudly an MLM. Very obviously an MLM. You cannot say that they are not an MLM. Very obvious they are an MLM. They literally need you to sign up under somebody else in order for you to even purchase their products. So, you can see here, look, suggested based on your recent activity, MLM Forex. Okay, so, yeah, this is a multi-level marketing company focused on Forex. So why are MLMs bad? One, you just saw the reason. Most people never even make money. Does this look familiar to you? What does this look like to you? CEO, managers, supervisors, recruits. Okay, it's kind of an odd shape there. One would say that maybe that looks like a pyramid. Okay, I know I'm coming off as salty or like a hater. A lot of these MLM people are in complete denial, and so they are vicious. They will attack you for saying that they're in a scam, and that they'll never make any money. They'll say that, you know, oh, their teachers are millionaires and they're amazing traders. They never are. They're millionaires maybe from recruiting so many new people, but they are not traders. Okay, so another thing that makes an MLM horrible is that they tend to market towards the poor. Why market towards the poor? Because the poor are desperate, and the poor will fling their money at you if you tell them that you can make that if they can make more money. Okay, now how can we actually prove that IML here targets poor people? Okay, again, just my opinion. You can do all this research yourself. Well, a quick Google Trends. Okay, this is just Google Trends. It tells you the search activity of anywhere in the world. Will show you where iMarkets Live or IM Academy is most popularly searched. So let's do IM Academy. Okay, and let's see the results for this. So you can see they've been increasing interest over time. That's because they're marketing and gaining new members every single day. But let's check out the countries where this is being searched the most. Look at this. These are the top countries that search this word, IM Academy: Grenada, Guyana, Trinidad and Tobago, Barbados, and the Bahamas. Okay, so these are all pretty, you know, they're lower income countries. Okay, and it's the same no matter what you search up. IML, let's do their old name. They rebranded because they were being sued, and everybody started to pretty much realize that they were a big multi-level marketing scheme. And so they rebranded. It's as simple as that. Now they sell different products, but they'll keep rebranding over and over again. So we searched up IML. Look at this: Somalia, Barbados, Trinidad and Tobago, Russia, Brazil. Okay, all relatively low income countries. Maybe not Russia, but Somalia, Barbados, Trinidad and Tobago, all third world countries. And you know, if that doesn't speak for itself, I don't know what does. They are purposely targeting poor countries, poor people. Okay, so that is pretty much my rant on IM Academy. Take it from experience. I've been trading for 8 years, and I have seen them from the very beginning, from when they started to where they are now. They have always been a multi-level marketing company. Christopher Terry, you know, just my opinion. He has been involved in some sketchy stuff. He's a sketchy man, and he does not have your best interest in mind, and neither does anyone who's trying to recruit you, okay? Just go to one of these seminars, and they have a whole script about how they were once poor and now they're rich. They talk about rich dad, poor dad, how they were once, you know, they had a poor mentality, now they have a rich mentality. They always pitch the same thing, and it's to make you feel like you, as someone who is desperate for money, can go out and make millions of dollars selling their products or trading Forex. You are more than likely, 99% of the time, in fact, most members in my private group, okay, my mentoring, have actually come from IM Academy, and they say that IM Academy was the worst thing they have ever experienced when it comes to trading Forex and Forex education. And that's why I do what I do. I'm glad to help out people to, you know, sort of break through that sort of struggle. Okay, so if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Make sure you join that free Discord down below if you like trading education. Lots of free stuff in there, as well as my YouTube channel, so make sure you subscribe to keep up to date with all the trading content that I post. Make sure you also hit that bell notification icon. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.